Another thing that you're probably seeing if you're on the Microsoft 365 platform is Copilot. What is Copilot? Well, really, Copilot is ChatGPT, OpenAI, combined with Microsoft, and it comes free. The chat GTP interface comes free, but you can pay extra money and you can actually have an AI engine reviewing the documents that you store, say within your Microsoft SharePoint or your OneDrive, or the documents that, let's say, are in the Microsoft 365 tenancy, so that your people, from say a knowledge base perspective or a training perspective or a procedure perspective, they literally could look into your own data, ask a very question like a human would ask it, and they would be able to go out and look at the data within your own repository, uh, and pull back the information that they need. Very, very, very cool, and very, very, very powerful. And when you think about things for, say, a tech company where we're trying to make knowledge base articles in order to, you know, our clients want a predictable outcome. They want to, they really don't want to have a problem at all. And then, of course, they want it solved, and they really want it for a personal experience. People love it being the same way. One of the biggest problems in, say, our industry is that when technicians get to talking too much, and they're saying, and they'll say something like, "Yeah, I don't know why that guy would," another one of our guys would, "I don't know why they would do that," or even another tech, "why they would do it this way," because it plants this idea in the client's mind that, am I getting the best fix possible? Well, Copilot would be a very powerful tool in being able to uh, pull out data and feed data, even in real time, to people under current situations, really, really fast. And I'm going to talk about some downsides to those type things in a moment.